Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about one of the famous interview question regarding, for example, okay, uh, yeah, one second. Yeah, here the question is: you are working with a list of employees and need to generate a CSV string of employee names who are managers and joined after 2020, or I can mention 2016, after 2016. Okay, by using Java 8 streams, you should perform this operation. So for that, you are currently I want to take the employee class, and with the fields, okay, name and the is manager, and uh, year of which year you need to check the condition, right, which year they are joined. So I am taking employee class, and I'm giving the names, string name boolean is manager, int year of joining, and I'm took the constructor with fields. Okay, and I'm taking the getter method, getter methods of the three fields. Okay, I'm took the toString. Okay, why I took the getter method means already you are going to set the values in the list of employees by using constructor with fields. So if you want any value, then we can get the value. Okay, now let's get started. Now, in the CSV file, we need to create a header. So header name can be anything. So I'm going to give the name as is the name, right? We are getting the manager name. So I am writing the header name as name. So for that, stream dot concat. Okay, concat, and I am writing the name here. Stream of stream of name. Okay, names, right? Here, this is the headers, right? This is the headers. This names is the headers part. This is the headers part, and here I'm going to create the emp dot stream dot filter. I'm going to filter. Okay, employee dot is manager. Yeah, it is a manager. Then, and need to get the get year of joining. Year of joining is greater than 2016. Then I need to, if employee is a manager and if the employee is employee year of joining is greater than 2016, then I want to get the employee names, right? Dot for the getting the names, taking map employee double colon get name, right? I'm taking the method reference concept, and here, yeah, this stream dot concat is completed from here. Okay, it is completed here, and I'm going to take the I'm okay I'm taking yeah, collecting the names, collect collectors dot joining with character sequence and the delimiter here. I'm taking the next line, right? Here stream dot concat is completed till here. Okay, this is the, yeah, completed, and we have filtered the employee as a manager, and year of joining is 2016. and then I'm going to collect the names of the employee, and I am collecting the names and joining. Okay, I'm taking. Okay, here we are getting the return type as names. Okay, yeah, CSV names will get here, names will get. So yeah, I took the reference name as CSV names. Now we are going to create the CSV file. For that I'm taking try block. We have paths dot get get managers dot CSV. This is a CSV file we are going to create, and here path file path. This is the file path. This is the file path location. Okay, okay. This is java dot nio dot file dot paths. This is the class, and here in the files we are going to write the names of the manager. Files dot write. I'm going to write what we are going to write. We're going to write the in the file. Okay, file path. Okay, and here CSV names dot get bytes. Okay, here system dot dot println. Here CSV file is created and got uh, names written in file. With the file, yeah, file path dot to absolute path to this path. Okay, and here taking the catch. Here you will get the IO. Okay, IO exception E, and if any exception got occurred, then print track trace, print the error. Okay, here what we have converted the string names which we are going to collect, and with the next line, and all the names will be uh, converted into bytes and will be inserted into the file. Okay, now in files dot write files class. Okay, files class is java dot ino dot file dot files is a class. In this class we have a write method, and we are giving the file path, and we are converting the names to bytes, and this names are going to insert into the file, and we are printing that CSV file is created, names written in file. Okay, and where we are written to the absolute path in the manager.csv path. Okay, in this path only it has been written, and now run our code. Let's check our code. Yeah, yes, CSV file is created, names written in file dot in the workspace, managers.csv demo. Okay, demo is our project name. Okay, see here, let's refresh. Here we came managers.csv. Hope you can see here. Yeah, managers.csv Excel file. Yeah, this is the names Raju and Ramu. These names got inserted. Okay, Ramu, yes, Ramu and Raju. Yeah, Ramu and Raju names got inserted. Yeah, this is about creating CSV file and inserting the filtered data, okay, from the list of employees. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.